Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Cat S32, and now I'm gonna show you how to announce caller ID on this device. To enable the caller ID announcement, you need to open Phones app. Then click on the three dots button on the right top corner of your screen and choose Settings. Then scroll down and find here Caller ID Announcement. Choose Announce Caller ID and use Always mode or only when using a headset. For example, I want to use this mode. And it's great, now all callers' names will be announced only when I'm using a headset. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Bye, see you.